Are you dealing with the Interop Library DLL error blocking your work? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'm going to walk you through a safe, verified solution. Ensure your Interop library environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Interop Library, a generic interoperability assembly. It provides the unmanaged bridge required for managed .NET code to communicate with legacy unmanaged COM and ActiveX components and facilitate data link orchestration. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This issue is commonly resolved by reinstalling .NET Interop Assembly. Download both x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft and install them. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Interop library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Interop library. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines Interop library optimization concepts. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Interop library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.